you towards your L-shaped living and dining space. Kitchen is basically the plus point, much more spacious. The most spacious room of the house. Once you enter, the flooring is again. Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. This is your host Jetal and today we are here at New Haven Ribbon Walk by S&P, which is located in Kelambakkam, Chennai. And today we'll be doing the sample flat tour. But before starting the video, let me introduce you all with Housey. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry now because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. So stay tuned until the end because by the end of this video, you will be clear with each and every single detail, so which will help you towards your decision making in your home buying journey. So right now we are here inside the marketing office of our project. So let's start with the project overview. Spread across 15 acres, this project consists of 8 towers, where Tower 1 and Tower 8 is completely sold out and residencies are residing over here. Now we are open with 2 towers, that is Tower 2, rising from basement ground plus 16 floor, and Tower 7 rising from basement ground plus 18 floor. Here we have 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium home and rest of the towers are for future development. Now about the amenities part, and this project offers you 25 plus luxurious amenities like you get multi-purpose court, open space to relax, half basketball court, a grand clubhouse with all the indoor amenities and many more luxurious amenities. Now let's discuss about the location part, and our project is located bang on Kelambakkam Vandalur Road in Kelambakkam, Chennai, where you get easy connectivity to VIT University in just 2 minutes. Chettinad Hospital is 10 minutes away from our project. If you're planning to buy a home, then here's a strong recommendation from my end. Housey is here with its new series called Rights of Home Buyer. Many home buyers do not know exactly what their rights are. For example, if you book a property by paying a token amount and later on you decide to cancel that booking, how much amount legally a builder can deduct? Or else, for example, after possession there is any leakage issue or quality related issue in your flat. Then, is the builder liable for the same? In this situation, what a home buyer can do? This all is explained in a very simple and easy manner in our series. So a strong recommendation from my end that before you buy a home, just one check out our this series which will helpful. You can get the link of our this series in the I button or else in the description link below. Now let's have a look at your 3 BHK model flat of 1523 square feet super built up area. This unit comes up with a lobby space. I will call it as a private lobby because this you can use for your own purpose. You can add up your planter, you can add up your shoe rack as well. And the main entrance is right over here. So let's quickly enter towards your main entrance. This is your dooring which comes up with digital door lock for your security purpose. And it will lead you towards your L-shaped living and dining space, which comes up with the vitrified flooring. And this is your sofa set. You can have a look how beautifully they have done the interior for your reference with the sofa set, the teapot and even the TV unit space. And this living area has a perfect connecting balcony. This is the perfect connecting balcony, comes up with anti-skid flooring that is wooden finishing, toughened glass railing and even half wall structured. Gives you 3 side covered. Now once you step inside over here, let's focus upon the dining space, and your dining area is right over here where easily you can set up your 4-seater of dining table like this. And here's the cutlery space or the storage area which you can use in a multi-purpose way. Now exactly opposite to your dining space, we have a kitchen area. Kitchen is basically the plus point, much more spacious one because after adding up the parallel fitting platform, there is ample of space in the center and it even comes up with vitrified flooring, and easily 4 people can work together in this kitchen area. Here we have a perfect window for ventilation and lighting purpose, provision for your machine and even provision for your refrigerator is over here. Now about your bedroom space. So your bedroom number 1 is on the other side of the house and other 2 bedroom on the other side. So connected to your living area, we have your bedroom number 1 and this is your bedroom number 1. So once you enter, it comes up with vitrified flooring again with a bed space in the center of the room And after that also we have ample of space over this side where you can add up your work table easily. We have a window that is perfect for your ventilation and lighting purpose, so that your room is perfectly ventilated. Now about the wardrobe, yes, you can set up your huge wardrobe right over here. Now once you step outside, we'll be moving towards your bedroom number 2. So for this you have to take this passage area, and your bedroom number 2 is right over here. So once you enter this bedroom, again comes the flooring, that is the vitrified flooring, and the bed space. After the bed also we have ample of space to move around. Here's a window for ventilation and lighting purpose. Now about your wardrobe. So your wardrobe can be fit over here, and this bedroom comes up with a private washroom right over here. So we have a private washroom. Comes up with anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fitting, where the sink area is offered inside itself. Once you step outside, your common washroom is right over here with the easy access, so that your whole house is connected easily. In the center of the house comes up with anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fittings. So again, taking this passage area, moving towards your master bedroom, here let me show you that this is a niche area which you can use in a multi-purpose way. You can add up your storage space, your bookshelf, or whatever you like, your own decor things. Now, before entering this master bedroom, let me introduce you with all the key features of Housey. So basically, Housey is here with actual location tour, with its sample flight videos with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule, and 360-degree location tour. So all these wonderful features are only under Housey.com. What are you waiting for? Schedule your free site visit by registering for free only on Housey.com. Now about your master bedroom. So your master bedroom is right over here. The most spacious room of the house. Once you enter, the flooring is again vitrified flooring, and the bed space is right over here. After the bed space also we get ample of space where you can add up your side table. And here we have a private balcony. So basically this unit comes up with 2 balconies, one in living area and one in your master bedroom, which is private, with anti-skid wooden finishing flooring, toughened glass railing, gives you 3 side covered. You can enjoy a perfect scenic view of your community. Now once you step inside, we have a TV unit space that is exactly opposite to your bed area, that is a bed space. And about your wardrobe, yes, we have a separate walk-in wardrobe concept, that is a walk-in closet area, where you can add up your dresser as well. Connecting washroom with anti-skid flooring, CP sanitary fittings, and the shower area that is divided via tile rope to avoid the water spillage. So now, as you all know, we are here at S&P Projects. Have you checked another project with this builder? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below. And if you're looking for more details of the project, you can click on the I button to check out all the details of the project and to download e-brochure and price sheet. Again, click on the link below to download e-brochure. Now, lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.